yo! Good morning, beautiful people.
What can I get you?
Gotta get this sent out real quick. Welcome in, welcome in. It's December, guys. What the fuck? Who didn't tell me that? Let's send this over. And it's sent. We're live. How we doing, family? Didn't get to see the market over the weekend. Morning work. How we doing, King? Good morning, King. Happy to have you here. What's the NASDAQ doing today? We broke over the top. Still stuck below VWAP right now. Bobby, good morning, King. I texted you on IG, brother. Check that out. My bad. My bad work. Didn't see that, King. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, brother. Good morning, Danny. Good morning, Queen. Let me peek. Yo, what up, Jay? Happy to have you, bro. Good morning, King. Active right now. Active right now, eh? What'd you send me? Hey, there he is. I'm going to text you to show you the first setup. And we've been in SPX and buying on 30-minute time frame. I'll show you the setup whenever you see this, bro. Let's have a great weekend, brother. Amen. Hey, so Work's buying the SPX 500 right now on a 30-minute time frame, which is crazy. That's so much volatility, if you guys know. Yo, good morning, Pat. Let's go. There he is. Good morning, King. Happy to have you in. Hope your weekend was good. What's up, May? How you doing? Welcome in, King. I like the long. I like the entry, King. Let's see it play out. I like that Work. 30 minutes time frame is honestly pretty sick. I've never been able to mess with it. Yo, what up, King Noah? Welcome in, sir. Happy to have you here, brother. Man, I blew up my crypto account on the crash yesterday. I fell asleep on a trade with a trade on. Bobby! It's all right, King. That crash got me good. That crash was insane, and I didn't like seeing it. I woke up this morning. I was like, why is Solana down? If we get 208 tap again, I will long. I like that, Pat. Amen, brother. You too, Work. Not gonna lie, opening print candle quite bullish, strong. Opening from the 254s up into the 288s. 35 points off that first candle there. I tested my theory. I'm up 1250. Noah, let's go. A little bit of VWAP strategy. I love seeing it, King. Let's fucking go. Hope everyone's having a great Monday. Starting the week strong. Had a good weekend. Got your little calibrations all reset. Got the mindset in the right spot. NASDAQ has an engulfing candle. Holy shit. So we literally sweep up 40 points off this opening candle, and the next candle engulfs it to the downside. Let's see what our actual bias is. Let's go look at the daily time frame real quick to get an idea. I guess I really wouldn't mind seeing this to just come back down in towards like 140s could be crazy. I also wouldn't mind seeing this find some longs, so let's be patient here. Hope everybody's doing great. There's already 11 people watching. If y'all haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. Let's get the stream started nice this week. NASDAQ finding some selling off this opening print candle. Make sure you don't jump in too early. Lots of opportunity. Guys, I'm not going to lie. This is whiplashing pretty bad. So we had a 40-point opening candle, and then an engulfing 40 point the other way, and now we're right back in the zone. So be cautious. Let the market structure set up a little bit better. See what happens here. First couple minutes of the week. I tested my theory. I'm up 1250. I love it, Noah. Let's go, kid. Bobby, what are we doing trading the crypto crash, though? You still been liking that Warbucks, huh? I've seen it a couple more times, and every time I see it, I think of you now. So, wow, long showed right back up at these 230s, pushing us right back into high day, the 290s. We got some whiplash right now, family. Opportunity. I like the hourly chart, honestly. We're forming a nice double bottom here, and if we can push up through the VWAP, I like the hourlies. Until we do that, though, I'm going to be looking bearish. See what happens. Good morning and good luck to all. You too, Diego. Welcome in, King. Appreciate you in the energy. Yeah, I know, bro. I honestly got greedy. I only needed 100 to a payout of 200. Hobby. That's all right, King. That's all right. Base hits. I mean, $200 payout. I get it. It's a payout, but I would have gone for it too, especially with the volatility of that crash. I understand, King. If we get up through this VWAP, I'll like longs a little bit better here. You can look at the hourly chart to our left. We're finding some decent structure. I want to see this wick spot break through. Could be interesting. For now, though, I'm just going to be patient. Market's only been open for 5 minutes. Then I fell asleep on an accidental long. It's crazy. Man's falling asleep making money. That's how easy it is for him. Let's go, Bobs. Let's go. We have a great opportunity this week. We're going to have lots of news. Today, I don't think there's any news, but the rest of the week's going to set up fairly nicely. Is your bias more dependent on what side of the VWAP is priced on? Typically, Noah, yeah. I'm usually looking for longs above and shorts below, but it depends. I mean, obviously, there's certain situations where that won't be the case. Like, right now, for example, if we kept pushing up through this price and, like, tapped into, like, these 320s or so, maybe even a little higher, and then came back to test below the VWAP, I wouldn't be scared to try a test below it and then for the prediction for it to break back up. But I typically am waiting for longs above and shorts below. Everybody load up on combines and accounts while we had the Black Friday deal. Today's Cyber Monday. It's like the last deal. A lot of accounts, or a lot of FYA. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. A lot of props are ending their stuff today for their discounts for the Cyber Monday. I know MFF had a really nice one. My Fun and Futures, the one that I'm trading now. Lucid has a really nice one. The Lucid Flex accounts, I didn't know, is the reason they made those so enticing is because they're trying to get people off of Project X. So if you buy a Lucid Flex account, you cannot trade it on Project X. So I found that interesting. It's Tradeovate or Quantower, I think. So that was interesting. And then obviously Apex's sexy deal ends tonight or tomorrow, I think, final day. So good morning, Mad Max. Welcome in, King. Like right now is a chance I wouldn't mind testing to take a below VWAP, Noah. I kind of want to find an attempt at these 280s to see if we can push up. It's a little bit risky because we are still stuck below the VWAP, so I'm going to give it a little bit more room here, but I don't mind it. Yo, work. He's long on that Dow and the SPX 50. I'm going to try a long here. It's so early, though. I'm going to be a little bit... Fuck. I'll go micro. We'll go micro. I want to see this play out, but I want to be patient. Still so early in the day. Market just opened. I would like it a lot more if we got above VWAP strong there, but instead we're kind of basing underneath it. I want to see us kind of break it and not look any wicks there. I think it's a good theory for sure. I like that, Noah. Just simple, you know what I mean? Just keep it simplified and it gives you the best chance for something to be repeatable. But there are already 20 beautiful people watching, family. If we haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. Let's get the stream popping this week. NASDAQ finding some support now above the VWAP into the 315s. Okay. See, I did want to buy this. Let's be patient now. I wouldn't mind if we continue to show some structure here to buy a VWAP touch. You know what I mean? If we continue to have a nice strong closure up and around these prices, I wouldn't mind finding a VWAP pullback for a long, especially because I want to see these wicks be taken out at like these 340s. I think there's some liquidity there. 50 more points to hit that full TP on the SPX 55. Oh, dude. Work. Stealing money from the markets this morning, King. Way to be. Love hearing it. Not the best entry there, bro. I'd wait for a lower entry. Otherwise, stop is very susceptible. I like that, Pat. That's why I hesitated. The reason I didn't mind it is because we're testing the top of this opening print candle. But there's a couple reasons I don't love it. It's because we were basing below VWAP, and I want to make sure that this isn't the last attempt of us holding these lows. But I think so. If you look at the hourly chart, it's kind of a nice closure. Let's see how this actually finishes out.
We have some of the most expensive trading challenges in the prop firm industry. Hey, traders, if you're looking for a rock solid and financially stable prop firm to
Sorry for the ad there.
you can
Yeah, absolutely, man. But we should get some sort of a pullback if we get an attempt from sellers. Excuse me. I like that, Pat. I like that, and I agree, King. I'm looking more to see if we can get a pullback in around, like I said, maybe like these 300 whole number. I mean, I think 300 is almost VWAP, so it'll be interesting. Then we just got the break, so let's see what happens. Hope everybody's chill, though. You know what I mean? We don't need to be too excited, too anxious to get into a trade. Let's be careful, cautious, patient. Whole week ahead of opportunity ahead of us. Markets just opened up. There you go, Pat. There's the pullback you were talking about. Unable to break through the VWAP there. NASDAQ turning into 320s, back testing into the 280s now. See what happens. Let's be patient. Find a sexy little setup. Make some money. It's really not that difficult. We just got to get out of our own way. Good morning, gang. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Let's get this money. Good morning, TLR. Love the energy, King. Welcome in. Hope you had a great weekend yourself, sir. NASDAQ, if you look at the hourly chart, we're starting to invert and reverse at this VWAP. Wouldn't really want to see that get too much more heavy here. Let's be patient. We're either going to get this to break back up above VWAP and be looking longs, or we're going to have another structural test to like these 300s on the bottom, and I'm going to take a short. So we're getting a lot more ideas of what we want to do. Let's be patient now. Here come the longs again, trying to get excited. It sucks. That went so fast. I wanted to short that price, but it just moved so quick into that. Damn. It moved. We bounced back into there so fast. I wanted to find a short there. And I still do. I think I'm looking to the downside now, family. Turkey, bacon taste like deep fried seatbelts. Bobby, why are you eating seatbelts on Monday? I'm still shitting out turkey and apple pie. Let's go, Sobs. That sounds like a healthy diet to me, King. Thanksgiving turd, nothing wrong with that. Kind of the favorite. That's like the most luxurious bathroom session of your life. Oh. Kind of wanted that short. Market moved so quick right there. You can see this candle that was engulfing. Now we're stuck below this EMA. I really wouldn't mind finding some continuation in the downside here. NASDAQ, here we go. The selling's picking up deeper now into the 230s. We're off 100 points from the high 4 minutes ago. I think we're starting to get the direction, family. Let's be patient here. This is the only other spot where if the longs are going to get serious, it's going to be right now. But I'm starting to see the volume pick up for the sellers. I'm getting close to our first 15 minutes range. Otherwise, I'm still looking for getting into a position soon. We have a supply at the 208. Watch the reaction. At the 208s. You mean demand? I like that. I like that, Pat. Good call out, King. Keep your guys' eye on that 200 level. Possibly could get wild. Still in. Work. Looking for the longs to play out. I like it. Look at the bullish reaction here. We did just sweep the bottom. We did just sweep the bottom right there. Opportunity. We're getting volatility. We're getting a little bit of whiplash. Let's be patient, family. We're literally almost at opening print price. Actually, we are at opening print price, so. We at that opening print price. No reason to be rushing into nothing crazy. We got 3 minutes for our first 15-minute range here before I draw out the box. Make sure you guys aren't being overly ambitious to get into a trade right now. We're kind of a little bit whiplashing in the zone. Let's do our thing here. You know what I'm saying? Wow, the shorts really are starting to show up, though. I wanted to see if we could pull back up through this EMA. Right now, we're below opening print. Once we get our range, it'll be a little bit more clear. You know what I'm saying? Once we get this range, it'll be a little bit more clear. If you look at the hourly chart, what are you guys seeing when I look at this? Right? Because we had this big sell-off, end up finding this bottom, and now we just take out these previous highs, and now we're retesting these highs. So I see what you're seeing about these 200s, Pat. If we can actually hold above here, I'd like the longs. Otherwise, we could be looking for some shorts into like these bottom prices. So let's be patient and find out, I suppose. You know what I'm saying? NASDAQ finding some sellers now. Back into the 200s. Here's your level coming in right now, Pat. Good morning, peeps. I've been seeing bullish. Saucy, good morning, King. I am on the opposite side of you. Good morning, the sauce, but I am on the opposite end of you, King. I'm looking for the sellers, I think. I was wanting to see if the longs were going to be serious, pushing up through the VWAP, but finding rejection there. I think sellers are in control right now. We swept the daily high. Think we'll curve over. Yep. I like that, Noah. I like that a lot. Let's go take a look at the daily, actually, now that he said that. Yeah, that's a really beautiful inversion, actually. Oh, it's overnight that we found some selling off the sweep. Interesting, interesting. It'll be interesting to see how we get there, but I do kind of like long, shorts a little bit more right now. I think the sellers are in control. I mean, at least clearly from overnight, they're in control. The reaction of the buyers is what we're to be determined. Good morning, Amy. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Hope the weekend was nice for you, man. We swept the daily high. I think we'll curve over. It's hard to think. It's hard to trying to look at any time chart on the phone. Simply just can't see far enough back. Yeah, Sauce. I mean, that's it. Absolutely the biggest obstacle of mobile trading is lack of range. You can't really see much other than what you're looking at, so you can get zoomed in a little too tight. Still in my longs on the 500. Let's go, work. Let's see it play out. I'm out. Was that a 208 long right there, Pat? You grabbed that 208 long? Beautiful entry, King. Literally bottom tick the shit out of that. Let's fucking go, Pat. Let's fucking go, Pat. Drop a W for the man. Love seeing it, King. Good trade. You called that level way before we got there. We smashed it to a T and then left. Beautiful trade. All right, family. Our first 15 minutes are in. Let's get our range drawn out here. Get a little bit better picture of the outlook. Kind of interesting looking. It's kind of interesting looking. Oop. There's our 15-minute range. Nasdaq's trying to get back up into these 300s. Interesting. This is kind of where I wanted to look for a short, so I'm going to take an opportunity at it, and if we're wrong, but we swept the bottom of the range. Volume picked up. I don't know, family. I kind of want to short this VWAP. I might have to just for a little bit of, I have to, all intents and purposes. If we break through the top, I'm going to have a tight stop on this, but I am shorting this VWAP right now. I don't love it because I think the longs are getting a little excited through the bottom of that range, but at the same time, we have to take our trade that we see. Let's go, Pat. Chill. Good stuff, my boy. Just got tapped in there, family. Let's see if we can find a reaction at this VWAP. Otherwise, we're going to be wrong pretty quickly. Otherwise, we're going to be wrong fairly fast if we find some support up through here. It's kind of feeling like that's going to be the case. Just wanted to lock something up, but watch us rip. We'll see, Pat. Nice London low tap, Pat. Let's go, Danny. Damn, I should have let full TP hit right back to VWAP, which was my target. Patience, King. It was a really good trade. Still can play out. See what happens here. We're at the VWAP. Looking to find some sellers. Right now, the longs look like they're trying to step up, though. I don't want to let this go out of hand too much, but I still like it for the sellers. We get last week high, should see some correction to the downside, then maybe go up. First TP is Friday low. We will get to now see what happened today, but sellers today, more buyers. I don't know, I mean, we're sweeping to the top here. Just swept the top of the range. I'm going to give this one more candle closure before I close this, but we're looking, not looking my favorite here, family. I want to let this candle closure decide what we're going to do. If we continue to stay inside the 15, I'm going to hold. If we break and close above, I'm going to close. Take our loss. Let's find some reaction here from our sellers. I feel like I'm going to get top ticked if I do try to close this. Use a tight stop like you said. Yes, sir, Pat. Just going to let this decide what it wants. Just trying to let this decide really what it wants to do here. Sellers are still respecting the top of the range, so I'm not terrified out of it yet. I want to see if we can get a close back and around the VWAP. Our price would obviously be ideal. Below the VWAP is going to be the obstacle. Can we get there? Might have to close this for a small loss. Here we go. Sellers are trying. Sellers are trying. I love the reaction at the top of the 15-minute range. Part of me wants to close this. A part of me wants to just continue to hold. I really like that we swept the top and push right back inside. I don't want to panic out of this yet, but we're holding above the VWAP. As soon as we get another closure above the VWAP, I might close. Otherwise, I want to see these sellers try for me. Try for me, sellers, one time. They're holding the EMA here. Not my favorite. Definitely seeing some structure to the upside. You guys know how it is. Big blacks, one wick. No wick. One candle can do it for us. Just kind of like that. Let's get a closure here, NASDAQ. Don't want to see any wicks here. Show me a closure. Oh, yeah. Fuck. That was what we were afraid of, family. I wanted to see that try to break down. I'm going to still wait and have a close above the top of the range here. Our stops are going to be the top of the range. I don't love it. I think the longs are looking a little excited, but also the shorts still respected the top of the 15. So for all intents and purposes, I have to respect the strategy and let it play out. I think if I put my stop loss in right now, we go get it flashed. Otherwise, I still have a feeling we could go find some selling right now. Am I being stubborn? Am I being stubborn, family? I really wanted to see us continue to break through there. If it breaks 325, more buyers to the 350, 375. I like that, Amin. Yeah, I think I'm being stubborn. We're finding some support above the VWAP and to now the top of the 15. If we get a closure here on that candle, I'm going to close. Gosh. Long stepped in against us, fam. Another attempt at the top of the 15. This is my last attempt at this trade. This candle right here. I fucking hate it because I know if I close, there's a chance we just continue to base. Show me something, NASDAQ. What you got? Last attempt from our candle here. Otherwise, I'm taking this small loss, family. Big black, no way. Get black below that range. One time. $208. Look at the 4-hour candles. Buyers trying to push up. Yeah, the hour they are too, King. We keep giving us structure at the top, though. That's enough for me to consider. I think I got to close it, though. Sellers are trying to defend, but the buyers are clearly stepping up here. One more attempt right now. Look at them pull back into the VWAP. If this wicks out, it's going to wick out too, isn't it? You guys see why I'm struggling to close this. We're defending the top of this range, interestingly. I know that if it pops, it's going to pop aggressively against us. So I fucking... God. We're defending the top, so I can't close yet. 325 sellers hold there a lot. I know, Amy. Until when, though, right? Until when, though, right?
Order filled.
I closed it, guys. Had to take the loss there. And now it's going to respect me, isn't it? Jesus Christ. I like this upside liquidity at the 340s. The reason I got scared out of that. More buyers are filling at the VWAP. We are forming a zone to either break up or down. Good call, bro. Good trading. Got filled long in the bottom of that range. Nice long, Pat. Gosh. All right. Well, got filled at long on the bottom of the range. Yeah, they're 350 in the 1 hour fair value gap. God, the longs found the support. We never tested the back of the bottom of the range. I was loving the reaction of the sellers at the top of the 15, but they would not push it down. Hey, bro, how do you stay so calm after a loser? Dude, you just keep doing it. You just keep trading and you just keep losing. Eventually, it'll hurt a little bit less. Also, we know the game long term is up, right? We know if we just keep showing up every day, you can only make money. You can only be profitable long term. Just keep showing up, do the right things, be simple, and the rest will happen. Taking a loss is just part of it. Experience and detachment, exactly, Pat. Don't get me wrong, Pobby. Right now, I'm frustrated that the shorts, look at this wick right at the top of this range. I'm not loving the structure that we got, but you know what I mean? It happens. I like that. But, bro, it's like when you get cheated, it hurts less and less, LOL. Yeah, no, Pobby. Don't, I guess it's a similar comparison. Down 1,100. Hey, Saucy, that's fine, King. I'm down too. We're going to make it back. Plenty of opportunity today. Longs are starting to find some support up into the 340s now. That was the range I kind of wanted to see. If we continue to hold that, I'm going to be looking for longs and a pullback. I think the shorts were so stubborn that I think they haven't really closed yet, which means I think there's more upside. But great when you enter and you see that price hold is better than entry and stop loss hit fast, LOL. No doubt, Amy. Then you become the cheater. No, sir, Bobby. Head up, Saucy, for sure. Lots of opportunity left. Tons of market chances. We're down 700 too, but you know what? It's just a candle or two. We'll be fine. Yo, there's 25 people watching, though. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you haven't yet, show some love. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not. Join this conversation. You know what I mean? 360s in the NASDAQ. Pushing up. It's okay, King. You got this. Let's go, Matrix. Fuck yeah, babe. Love the energy. JK, never cheat. That's bad. That's bad, Pobby. That's bad, King. That's how you ruin your karma. 350 now. Let's go to 400. Let's go to 400. I like that. I'm with you, Amy. If we start riding, I'm already looking to see that these longs are going to continue. Any pullback I'm interested in around like the top of the range, maybe the 315s, 320s. I'm liking for a pullback chance. 8 likes. Let's get 20. Only 8 likes out of 28 people watching. What are we doing, family? That almost hurt my feelings. Go ahead and hit that like button for me, kings, queens, all sizes. Half passing the combines. Let's go, Matrix. Easy for you. V close to a banger of a trade, but couldn't hold it. Hey, I love it, Daniel. Glad you made some on it. Patience is how you get better, King. Keep holding. That's just some experience, though, that comes with time. You got that shit. Gold, good morning, King. I'm out, guys. Have a great day and hit the weights. Be patient. Damn, all right, Pat. Take it easy, King. Now we are moving higher without me. Man, this is dumping. What is dump? Oh, crypto? Pobby? Yeah. I want to throw the fucking PC out the window. You got it, Daniel. If you made some on the move, King, you can't be too worried. I get it, though. I get it. 375, LOL. I'm bad. I'm down bad, too, this week, Sauce. Head up, King. Head up always, Gold. Detach, Daniel. Don't care. Great advice from Pat right there. You really do got to just separate yourself. You really just got to separate yourself. We're not a part of our, like, when we take a loss or a win, it's not us, guys. It's the market either doing or not doing, and we can just settle with that. Hey, our man Work just crushed the trade. Drop a W for him. Love you guys. Got to work on these cars, Tyler, and lock in some money. Hey, I get it, King. Do what you got to do, brother. I appreciate you. Love you too, buddy. You're the man. Go fix up those cars. Get that paycheck, King. We'll be here for you when you get back. You said you wouldn't trade gold. You said you wouldn't trade gold. I haven't traded gold. Why? You telling me to trade gold, Saucy? Look, I haven't even I can't. Look at this. That is delayed still. Think I'm liking a chance here, family. Soon at a pullback at one of these long attempts. I'm taking this.
Order filled.
I'm taking this, family. We're in this. Just got tapped in there. First EMA pullback. I don't know if I'm going to look for this full thing back to the top. Might just look a little rotation. I like the longs here, but don't want to be too crazy. Let's see these try to play out for us. See if we can find some respect back at the top of this previous range. I want to see these longs get back excited around here. Show me some love here, longs. If we're not able to find this bottom here, then I'm expecting the next bottom to be the top of the 15-minute range. Either way, I'm going to be patient. Let this play out a little bit. I don't mind it yet. See these longs get excited, though. Into the 350s now. Can we close up and around here? I like this reaction a lot. Don't want to see any wicks now. I want to see this continue to close out for us. Nice press. Holy shit. Holy shit. NASDAQ popping up in here with some long volatility. Beautiful entry. Are we going to get some continuation now? What was that wick? Is that news? 10 o'clock news on a Monday and I'm sleeping on it? God dang, what am I doing? We swept the top there. Looking for some continuation. If I had my order placed, it would have been way better. If I had my order placed there, family, that would have been far superior. Did we just flash the fours? No? Okay. Let's be patient. Kind of want to see the fours trade. Got to have a stop loss on, though. Our break-even's on. We're riding risk-free. Let's see this play out for us. Come on, NASDAQ. Find that continuation from the longs there. I love it. I'm looking for the 400, family. I'm going to get out at the 398s. Front run a little bit. Beautiful push. Let's find some continuation, NASDAQ. Get up and through there now, girl. Only obstacle that's a little terrifying is this 379, 380 price, this previous range where we just swept through. If we can find some continuation through that, I love our exit. I could even maybe ride a little longer, but I don't know. Longs are clearly stepping in right now, family. I don't think we have a lot of reason to be stressed. Let's be patient, though. Would love a little push up into those 400s there. Still holding the EMA. Stuck below the 380s is unideal. I want to see that pop and grow. PMI candle. Amen work. Yeah, news. Aim for the 486s, I feel. 486s, huh? Sweeping that top of that new range there. I don't mind that, Noah. It does feel like we're rounding out. Might have to just take our little win here and be happy with it. I wanted to see the fours try, but we're stuck at the 380s. I feel like we should be okay, but I also don't love that we are still stuck below this previous 380s price. I want to see that break, that last candle there. EMA's our support, but I don't love it. I don't know. No, hold the EMA. Hold the EMA here, NASDAQ. Find some longs. Yeah, it's going to come rip our break even off. God damn it. Find some support here, Nazi. Please get up back and above that EMA. Feels bad. I feel like we're going to get tapped out of this pretty quickly here. That was a tough trade, guys. We were up 800 bucks. Didn't have enough time to take it, though. Come on, longs. Show me some support here. Just like that. Get back up and around that EMA. Sorry I'm being so quiet, guys. Just really trying to read this. Let this play out for us. Whoa. I don't have a good feeling about it. The long should have already stepped in and supported us. After that news candle, I definitely think we're going to get tapped out
Stop
of this.
filled.
Motherfucker, dude. Whoa, what's the difference with the MFF accounts? Was looking at them. Pal, you need to go on MFF website, personal settings, and sign agreements to get live GC data. Yeah, Diego, I absolutely do. I appreciate that. What's the difference with the MFF accounts? Was looking at them. One is a scale and one's like a core account, Sobs. I'm not fully sure. Are you serious, NASDAQ? Are you fucking serious? 375 is in control now. I like it, Amin. Shorting the 80s. All right, Queen, good luck. I'd like to see if we can get a fill back up around. That'd be nice. What's good, Ruckus? Happy to have you in here, King. I think I'm going to shut up. I don't want to mess you up. No, you're all right, Noah. You all right, King. 486 was a good exit. I just feel like I just got absolutely bottom ticked there. Not much I can do. I liked our trade. It just didn't find any continuation at all. Fucking of course. Good morning, Coop. Welcome in, sir. Appreciate you being here so much, King. Yo, there's already 30 amazing, beautiful people watching. If y'all haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. Let's get this thing popping. I'm down 700 after having that $800 trade, and I'm so fucking frustrated we didn't get to take it. Why did we find a reaction back at that price like that? God. Go invert the news candle? Like, seriously? Re-enter long, King? I know, Matrix. I like it, too. Problem is now I just got stopped out of my fucking trade. So I don't really know if I want to re-enter. God, that hurts. It's really frustrating. I stopped using Top Step, using MFF for the daily payout, but Take Profit Trader has it too. MFF took it away. Yeah, Take Profit Trader's got that daily payouts. There's a couple good prop firms. It is the final day of a lot of Cyber Monday deals, so make sure you guys are using that. Apex, their deal ends tomorrow. MFF has a crazy deal ending. Lucid Trading also has a really nice deal with those flex accounts that is ending soon. So if y'all are interested, go ahead and grab some of those. We have a code for Apex and Lucid, not MFF, but you can use TFF in there. Trading for freedom. I like the longs here. I do, but I already fucking did and got... Oh, why do we get bottom ticked? Oh, that's so frustrating. That one hurt. You got it, bro. I got a meeting I got to get ready for. Have a good day, brother. You too, King. I appreciate you for being here. Have a good meeting, sir. Hope that goes your way. The intraday drawdown is something to get used to. Yeah, Ruckus. No joke. Intraday is not easy. But if you can get it through that, man, so worth it. Damn. Why did we invert that candle so quickly just to find the support back and push again? Like, oh my word. NASDAQ testing into the 370s now. I like the short up here where you were talking about, Queen. I also have a really bad feeling that we could not, but I like it. This is where we're going to go see the 400s because I just got bottom ticked out of my position. So be cautious if you're looking for shorts because, yeah. How frustrating. Oh, how frustrating. NASDAQ at these 370s. Just finding some support now, holding the EMA with some structure, of course, because it fucking ticked us out. So now it's gonna go print to the 400s pretty effortlessly, of course. You know, why wouldn't it at this point? Let's see what happens at this previous top with these 380s. It's gonna be interesting. Make sure you guys are being cautious if you haven't taken any trades yet. Lots of opportunity still setting up. You taking that short, Queen? You taking the 380s, Danny? Decompress buying volume into the range. I just feel like this is a weak top. That's the problem here. I feel like this top is very weak. I'm trading MES, reacting to fair value gap. To be honest, I was in a short. It just wiped me. Sorry to hear it, King. I already took profit in London high at the 40s. Took straight back up after that. Let's go. I'm glad. Already taking the profits is the way to do it, Queen. Like, I should have did that when we were up 800 on that trade. But it was so hard. It literally flashed back down within 2 minutes. This feels like a really nice bull flag that's finding some structure. I'm going to be tempted to buy most pullbacks. I'm going to be tempted to find most pullbacks. Testing into the 350s again now. Wax or grab it, brother. About to spark my dab up now. Go grab it this time, King. Enjoy that for me. Since yesterday, everything has been crazy. I know, Bobby. Well, not mad. I'm saying if you look to the left as expected, that's on me. My stop loss was low. Well, I mean, hey, I love the accountability, King. If it didn't go your way, there's something you did that you could have done better, and we just take that in, get more improvements, and get better. No worries, Ruckus. Just another day at the work. Let's go work. Enjoy that for me, King. And here come the 80s. NASDAQ gonna tie in here. I'm gonna buy longs. This is just a quick scalp for me. See if I can get filled. I just want to see a break of the fours. Was all I was looking for here.
Order filled.
Just want to see a little break of the fours. Want to see these longs find some structure. Just looking for a scalp on this one. Oh, but now we're going to respect the 80s perfectly, huh, NASDAQ? I want to see this EMA give us some support. It was just looking for a little scalp. Want to see us try to push into the fours here. I like this the structure of the longs here. They've been showing support all morning. I'm going to have my order front running, so I don't got to be worried about it. Sell 5 limit. Oh, my word. Here's the thing, is I really, really believe that the longs want to go up, but they're doing a good job at being weird about it. They're doing a really good job at being weird about it. Come on, long. Show us some support up into those fours. Get up through there. Don't love that we can't move. Kind of makes me think we're going to get some continued reactions, but let's see. Come on, NASDAQ. Get up there now. Go. I love the reaction to hold the EMA and continue to press that flat price. I think if we go snap these 378s, it's going to get pretty crazy. I think if we break through this flat price at these 80s, we're going to find some longs continuation. But man, we got to get through there though. Shorts clearly still doing their thing. Kind of want to add another contract because I'm liking this structure a lot. Here we go into the 80s. Can we get up into those fours now? There's the 390s. Putting my break even on. I want to see this just trade into the fours for us here. Flash the 390s. Don't do me like that, NASDAQ. Do not do me like that, NASDAQ. Oh,
Stop filled.
my fucking word. Waiting on the blue name someday. Someday, Bobby, it's yours. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, Nomad Caleb? Welcome in, King. I left my ass off going to Dispo right after this. Never dabbed before. It's better than flour. For sure, Ruckus. Definitely better than flour, King. The last low bounced off that support nicely on the 5-minute. Would have been a good long at the 940s. Yeah, that would have been a great long after restructuring at the bottom here. And I was looking for the 4s to break, but the NASDAQ still finding some structure. Sellers clearly defending. We took a break even, so it didn't hurt us, but we're still down 700 after that third attempt. God, it's frustrating. Was that 30? That's 13. I'm trying to buy these 41s. Looking to buy these 41s, family. Could come down in like the 20s, 30s maybe. But I'm looking for a 40 buy here. Looks like it's not even going to give us an opportunity, of course. Ty said someday, just not in this lifetime. No. Easy. Down 550 now. Let's go. Come on, Sauce. You got this shit. Can't trade anymore. Just got tapped into our longs. This is where it gets scary, family. Want to see some support from our friends, but we could easily be the act. We could just continue down here now. Here we go, NASDAQ. Get it back up and around that VWAP. Got to try the EMA out. Got to try to get back above the EMA here. Want this bottom to play out for us. If we can get above the EMA, I like this a lot more. Any wicks, I don't like it. You guys know the rules. I don't really love the structure here. Hey, love seeing that though. Sell 5. We're going to put our break even on, family. Our break even's on and our TP still at those 399s. So maybe we just got a better feel for it. We got to get a closure above this EMA if we're going to be out of the woods. Love the reaction here. Let's find some continuation from our longs. Come on, Nazi. Get up into those 380s for us. Beautiful. Find some continuation. Don't want to see any wicks. Obviously, this is going to be the scary price around these 60s, 70s again. Can we actually get some continuation, please, Nazi? W, it'll bounce up quick, but I would sell quick. Okay. I like that. We are bouncing quick and selling quick, as you stated, sir. I'm just going to let this try to show us some love. Get back above the EMA here, Nazi. Give me some reaction. I still really want to see the 399s try to trade. EMA is the obstacle. Can we hold this? Can we find some long continuation through this EMA? Flip over for us. There it is. Got to get through this flat price at the 70s. Can we get there now? Man, what's up with these wicks? Show some stability, NASDAQ. Fuck. Gotta get through the EMA now. We can just keep getting these lines in the sand, family. I want to see this pop. Hold the EMA. If we can close above the EMA, I like this. Otherwise, I might just take a small fucking win, even though I hate it. I hate trading like that. I want to let this market play out, but it's just being very stubborn right now. Holding the EMAs in our favor. Into the 370s isn't bad. Here we go, Nazi. Let's show some love here. There we go. Into the 380s. I'm going to hold for the 99s, family. It's a little bit scary, but I want to see us try to break through these 80s. Come on, show us some love. I would get off at that resistance. Yeah, right here at these 80s, 75s. I know. I know it's not a terrible exit at all at those 80s. And now we're going to go ahead and come back down to the EMA and get all weird about it. I think, family, I don't have a reason to be too intimidated by this. I mean, our break-even's on, so we can't lose. But it's just that I've been broke even twice now, and we're already down 700. So my levels are like, I just kind of want to take it. But I really like the 99s here. I like us to just hold this pattern and keep printing up for the end of the day. I just think it's going to be slow, and I hate it. Teasing me. You really are struggling to get up and around there, though. Motherfucker, dude. What is up with this? Like, why are we not structuring? Like, hold. Continue. Fucking find a direction. I have a really bad feeling we're going to get broke even on this. Show me some reactions that actually make some sense, please. I don't know. Bro, you got Instagram? Yes, sir, Nomad. It's same as my username, Tyler Cam. And we're going to get broke even.
Stop field.
Bro, what the fuck? Oh my god. Sorry, my daughter been an absolute Karen right now, missing all these trades. No worries, Sobs. You're not missing shit, dude. Because I can't get this fucking market to play. Yo, what up, Mo? Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Ad gang, Paul. I would have loved to, man. We just cannot get any momentum. We just cannot get any momentum whatsoever, dude. Action kind of tricky. Action's insanely tricky right now. And it's fucking irritating me. We've had 3 trades up over 600 bucks and can't take any of them because it immediately comes right back. Like, are you fucking kidding me? All good, brother. You're going to get next trade be yours. Let's go work. I appreciate the energy, King. It's just so fucking frustrating sometimes. 3 break-evens back-to-back after every single one of them was up 500-600 bucks. Like, are you fucking... Like, where's the continuation? Why are we getting everything to just turn around at 12, 15, 20 points? Like, move. God. Where's this NASDAQ want to go? I'm trying another long attempt, family. Try number 4. A little bit scary, I'm not gonna lie. I think we could come down to these 315s. But I have an order at the 32s. We'll see if we get it. Oh my god, NASDAQ. I'm fucking teasing. This is not ideal price action, guys. This is actually tricky. Damn, Ty, you had curly hair? Yeah, Mo. How'd you know that, King? Oh, you went back and looked at my Insta? Yeah, dude. Got all the curls. I used to have them. It's a lot of effort, though, so I took them off. I don't love this anymore. I was going to buy that price, guys, but the way that we're reacting and stuck under the VMA, I don't love it. I'm just going to be honest about it. Fuck, I do, though. I have to try. Can you just give me a fill, though, NASDAQ? And stop fucking with me, please? And now hold if you do. Oh, my God. Fucking fill our order, dude. Just flash it 3 times.
Order filled.
Now the shorts are going to get heavy just because we finally got tapped in. Looking to see this find some structure, guys. I really still like the longs here. As you see, we've taken 3 long attempts. All were break even though we're up 500 bucks on each one. Let's see what happens this time. Nice. Just really good. And we're finding the bottom now, family. We found the bottom. There comes the VWAP. And if we don't hold this VWAP, I think we're going to continue breaking down here. Look at the VWAP touch, though. I want to see this try a little bit more for us. Crazy selling that just popped in through there. We just tapped into the VWAP, touched the top of the 15-minute range. We're basing back up and around, so I kind of want to be patient, but might just close this for a small loss. God damn it. Kind of want to close this, but I have a feeling we're going to break through our price. Just like that. Can we get up and through there now? Hold this EMA. Get structure through the EMA. Get structure through that EMA. Get structure through that EMA. Looking to see if we can base here, family, but...
Order filled.
I'm closing for another break even. I don't like it. Oh my word. 5 trades, 4 break evens. 3 of which were up fucking 500 bucks. And then the one that we were down 800 actually fucking hits. God. Guys, why do we do this? I don't remember. Kind of want to take this long right now. 1 trade is all it takes to be back locked in. Absolutely, man. I love the energy, King. It's a perm. All right, King. I'm heading back to sleep. We'll come back, watch your hit your TP later. Let's go, Matrix. Love the energy, King. Get some rest, brother. Catch you on the flip side, King. We're struggling today. We've been taking in good trades, but the market is just not fucking behaving. I'm taking the last attempt here.
Order filled.
Yeah, we just get in and then the market moves. Wanted 1 more attempt to see if these longs are going to be serious or not right here. Give me some excitement through here, NASDAQ. Guys, if we start breaking this, I like this to continue up right here. If we break right here, I want to see this start breaking to the upside for us. We don't got to be crazy. We already are hitting it a little bit. I'm going to put our break even almost on now. Get excitement through there, NASDAQ. Pop that fucking bottom. Go. Go. Pop. Sellers been in control since that initial dip. I want to see these longs step back up now. But they just fucking will not. God, dude. boring price action right now, family. Treacherous, boring, challenging, difficult, annoying.
Stop filled.
What do you know? Another perfect break even. What the fuck is this shitty price action on a Monday? My word. I think sellers, I mean, we cannot break back and around that price. So as long as we continue to do that, sellers clearly are stepping in here. I just am waiting for the long of the day. That's what I'm waiting for. It's going to pop. And when it pops, it's going to pop aggressive. Aggressive and bad. Yeah, I still really like these longs. Fuck. Trying it again.
Order filled.
Trying it again, family. I'm just loving the pain at this point. Begging to see if we can hold above this VWAP. I really want to see these longs break this structure and go take out that upside there. Come on, NASDAQ. Can you show us some decent structure? Where are these longs at? This might be my final attempt here, family. I think I don't like the setups. I just don't like much right now. I really like this long, but it's just hasn't been able to play out. So taking like 5 attempts at it. And now we break below the VWAP, it's going to be done, so. I feel like we're going to just keep selling through this VWAP and get heavy volume for some reason. This is a classic, hey Noah, this is a classic VWAP day, buddy. Long in the VWAP pullbacks have been effective. This is going to be the fucking attempt now, NASDAQ. Can you get through that EMA, please? What is up with these sellers, man? Where is our structure? Go close through that. Go, go, go. Want to see it close through there. Really don't want to see any wicks like that. Man, this yellow line, guys, is just a clear reaction. Sellers are in just so much control. Hey, I love the sellers here. Yeah, I know, Queen. I know. I don't right now, Danny. They're misbehaving. Tell your friends to say stop for a couple moments, because I don't believe it. Look at this structure. God, break. Where is this? Like, what? This is making me feel like, God, I don't even know. I can't even explain it. This is not making sense. Break that structure. Look at this sell-off. Like, look at this. Look at this. So systematically selling off, stuck below the EMA. Can I get any reaction through that, please? This doesn't even making any sense. We are fighting for a line in the sand right now, family. It's 50-50, up or down here. I have really 5-6 attempts to believe that we're going to go to the upside, but that's just me. Danny wants the sellers. Bro, I got cooked on Sol last night. Fucking rugged on every single coin I played. Never happened before like that. Bear market confirmed. Something confirmed, sir. I'm shorting, so I need them on the side, on my side. Shorting, Queen. Oh, Danny. Gold, Sam. I got fucked on ETH. Pobby. Pobby was shorting. No, he was longing. Oh my word. What is happening with this? Fuck, family. Because I'm fading Danny. That's what's happening right now. I have a bad feeling about it. If we were going to break, we should have already found some structure to break to the upside. But we are not. I mean, this is just whipping at... We're literally just
barcoding at the VWAP right now. Super unattractive. Super no trade, and yet I'm still stuck in a fucking long. And the shorts pull through. It's really fucking annoying. Oh my god. Yeah. Totally makes so much sense. Asia Low, come on. Come on. Well, I fell asleep. It was my fault. How much you up, Danny? Get that Asia Low, queen. You deserve it. We're just finding deeper selling now like it's no fucking problem. My word. What's the reaction, NASDAQ? What do you got? It's going to literally just keep selling and give us no opportunity for a pullback for the first time all day. Really, really grand. Oh my god. Seriously, NASDAQ? The only time we just get one fucking direction. The only time we get one clean direction. We find nothing but selling below an EMA from the fucking 389s, dude. Incredible.
Order filled.
I had to take a $300 loss on that, family. I just had to. Oh my good loving Lord. I say that, and now this is when the market's going to go ahead and rip. Oh my word.
Order rejected.
What do you mean order rejected?
Order filled.
Just got tapped in there, family. Oh, in one account. What the fuck? Why is this not copy trading? Oh my god, why are you not copy trading?
Order filled.
Nice. Now I have different accounts with different fucking... Oh, why did you do that?
Order rejected.
Why, dude? God.
Order rejected.
It's respecting a lot of levels. Yeah, but I can't even get in. Did you guys see that? Call it a day, bro. Don't crash out, King. I appreciate it, Pobby. Nah, I mean, we're down 1,000. Feels like shit, especially because we... I don't know. Bro, they're testing you. Ain't no way. Are you seeing it, DLR? Like, what the fuck is going on? We're being put through the ringer right now. Facts, I'll check later. Shit just wiped me out my longs. Tough, Ruckus. Sorry, King. I can't even get tapped in. We're literally just trying to get into fucking position and can't, so. Like, why? Why can I not buy? Like, why? Pray for me. Praying for you, Pobs. You guys understand what's going on? Do you guys get it? We just put 10 contracts, so we would have had 2 contracts per account at that VWAP. It doesn't fill it except for 1 account, so the copy trading doesn't work. And that's the trade that's fucking flying right now. Like, you can't make this shit up. Bro, girlfriend keeps farting like she cooking eggs at 9 a.m. Pablo. Full port. That's why I almost tilted to do it. Just give me till 40. I'm good. Let that man ride. You just got there, King. Good exit, Mo. Jeez, I fucked up in the London session. So tired to short. So tried to short this. Is a little heavy. Grabbed a drink and she turned around. Whoop, account's gone. Damn, Danny. Sorry to hear it, Queen. We're here for you, though. Load back up. I can't not right now. My frustration is growing to a spot where it's not healthy. I might have to just call it a day. Break even, break even, break even, break even, break even. We take 5 fucking break even trades, take a loss because the market sells through the level, and now, finally, after fucking 6 attempts, the move that we wanted to see is starting to play out. God. It's unrealistic. Yeah, me too. Just absolute shit. All good, bro. You'll bounce back. Tomorrow you'll bounce back. I appreciate you, Nomad. Thank you, King. 420 by 5. I'm done for the day. Very shitty price action. Let's go, Mo. Way to lock it in. Awful price action. That's how I feel. Full port, be a king or die being one. Let's go. For MFF, you picked the max payout option, right? Yes, Nomad, I did. Y'all think this touches VWAP again? Or want a long? I want a long too, TLR, and I think maybe. I don't think so. I think we might hold this bottom here. We might get another VWAP touch. I don't know right now. It's chopping a little too much for me to know, King. Sorry. What do we have, family? We have $900 in drawdown before we were busto me gusto. Now these accounts are $300 apart. That's so frustrating. Because it single fills on one count. Why did it do that? Nope, nope, nope. Why did it do that? I don't feel like this hasn't been bad trading out of us, guys, but fucking the emotional, it wasn't very good. Let's just say that. I kind of expect us to keep breaking down, actually, after that. Here comes the EMA. Emotional damage. Yeah, Queen, exactly. Y'all think this touches? I don't know. Yo, there's 25 people still watching. You guys are fucking amazing. Thank you so much for spending your morning with me. If we haven't yet, show some love to the like button. It's the easiest way to support the stream. It's free. I think I'm down $1,000, and I might just call it here, guys. Kind of just, I don't know. We take a fucking annoying loss early, which is fine. I'm okay with that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 break evens looking for the long. We took 5 break evens waiting for the long to play out, and then it finally plays out after giving us a stop. Like, the NASDAQ doesn't want you to play. It doesn't want you to play. That's it.
Order rejected.
Why are you rejecting my orders?
Order filled.
All right, I just had to mark it in there with 5, family. This is my final trade of the day. This is my final trade of the day. I want to see if we're going to find any support from these longs. I've been trying to catch them all morning. We've been getting fucking whiplash, break-even bullshit. Can we actually get a move to play out for us one time here? Sell 5 stop. Break-even's going to be on soon. Not yet, though. Want to see us find some structure above this EMA.
Order filled.
What do you mean order filled? Did you guys just hear that? What the fuck is he talking about, order filled? Did you guys hear that? What was that? How are we doing this? Why are we doing this again? I don't know, Queen. I like him. I'm emotionally. I like damage. Haven't trades in a week. Feel like I don't know what I'm looking at. I like the discipline there, subs, because I'm not fucking far off that, King. I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. What did it did? They got in. What got in? W's. Your combine got 2 cons in, I think. Wait, what? Oh, one of my accounts has 2? Yeah, that's why that one's disproportionately making more money right now. Okay. Here we go, family. Finally. God. Break even's on. I'm going to let this one try to hold. Yeah. Can we just get some structure, NASDAQ? Stop bouncing back and forth, please. One of the accounts took 2 contracts. I think that's what that second fill was, which kind of shitty because now it's disproportionately disconnected. Oh my God, is this not gonna move? We had to break through that price with some continuation instead of wicking that, guys. Kind of a shitty little candle. No.
Order filled.
I closed it, guys. I closed it. For some reason, they were disconnected. We have one account that's down 600 now, and one account that's up 500. I don't know. I don't know. Your other accounts, they got in the orders. So they weren't following. Yeah, guys. I don't fucking like this. That's a bust. Yay. Damn. Damn. Sorry, Saucy. We're here for you, brother. Amen, brother. This is yours. Let's go at work. I appreciate the support, King. You guys are the fucking best. I'm calling it here for the day, guys. Make sure to click the gray button. And that's my queen. I appreciate that, too, because that's what it's feeling like. I was just getting these weird fills. Shitty price action today, guys. We take a big loser early, $700, and then we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts at finding a long. All get broke even. We take a 6th attempt at the long. It gets fucking rejected, and then finally the longs pull in, and we make a little bit back. So, ending the day there. One account is up $500. I don't know why. It's because it separated. It took 2 contracts. The other accounts are down 6, so it's a little annoying that they're so discrepant, but I don't know. Laura, welcome in, Queen. Welcome in. I'm sorry I'm leaving right now, but I appreciate you stopping in. Happy Monday. Thanks for being here. I think when you were individually placing trades, some orders got left. Got you, Diego. Appreciate you. Nice defensive trade. Small profits, all good. A little frustrating, but it is. I appreciate it. Stay blessed, y'all. Absolutely, Sob. All right. Pobby, Diego, Sobs, Laura, thanks for stopping in. Sorry, I got to go. Danny, Work, Sauce, TLR. Nomad, Pobby. You guys are the fucking best. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for spending the morning with me. If you haven't yet, show this stream some love. Subscribe if you're not. And drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Breathe and see you tomorrow. Absolutely, Queen. Take it easy, everybody. Peace.